Yeah, just when I was in high school, usually we eat like this, breakfast, after breakfast at home before go to school. With another one, not this one, another brand name. Oh, this is still, yeah, take the spoon, much better. Okay, it's not too, yeah, usually back then we made the, I made the, this bread with the peanut butter and we put in the raw bag. You know, money we go to school. Technically, what is me go to school. Okay. Yep. That's how's well. That's another sandwich. You can add more later on the top. You want? Okay, let me add one more layer. Usually back then we just made the that's it, and we got stuck a new one. But anyway, let's make the video with the 3 layer. Yeah, we do. I think my dad he have one the thing, the two to use to spread the butter on the bread, but I don't know where I lay it. Probably I forgot. I put in the trash can probably. Yeah, that's 3 layer. That's another way of eat with the breakfast or lunch. If some of you don't know how to make it, yeah, another one, another time. Yeah, it's a popular within people. I know the kid here, but for the people just came or they've been here long, but they have no clue about this type of breakfast. So if you want to do it, you can try this. So and then just eat. Okay, see you next video. Bye.